Mix coffee with alcohol and thank me. It's amazing. To start our tip today, in a container, I will add alcohol. The optimal amount for use is 200 milliliters. Alcohol is ideal for this tip for its bactericidal effect. Another item that makes this tip perfect for use are cloves. You can use the amount you prefer. I'm sure you have all the ingredients of this mixture in your home, being one of the main items for this mixture. We will add a tablespoon of soluble coffee. The ideal now is to mix well until the coffee has completely diluted in alcohol. In the meantime, tell me if you've ever made a mixture using coffee for cleaning. I'm sure you'll be surprised how effective this mixture is. To facilitate the application, I will put all the mixture in a spray bottle, as well as controlling the amount of use and avoiding abuse. Using a funnel, I will put the liquid completely, and then we just need to close and apply the product. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Charlotte Terry. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Ideally, you should use it at least twice a week, in every room that you feel is not so clean, or even suffering from insects. I'm sure you have never used these items together for cleaning. You will be surprised, and especially by the use of alcohol and coffee cloves. Besides bringing a great aroma in all places that use this mixture, also acts perfectly, avoiding the presence of flies and mosquitoes. I perfectly use this mixture even in the kitchen, removing oil marks and stains on all items in my kitchen. For use, it is very simple, just applying the product directly and spreading with a cloth. Already get the cleaning result for the area. It works perfectly for all surfaces, and even for cleaning the refrigerator and other items in your kitchen. Tell me later if you had the result you expected using this mixture, and if all the environments you used had an effective result against insects. This mixture is complete, and if you prefer, you can even use it directly on windows and doors, avoiding even the entrance of insects in your house. Also works using directly in the drains. Thank you for watching so far. See you in the next video. Bye.